हेलो, कैसे हैं आप?
I'm doing fantastic.
दिस टेक टू एक्चुअली, सो
This is take two.
पहले वाले में फोन कॉल आ गई थी तो हमने टेक टू कर लिया है, नो प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा, एज वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ, लेट्स डू इट अगेन. सर, अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Sir, मैं तो खैर इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं हूँ, but I think जहाँ पे मैं काम करता हूँ हमने एक एप्लीकेशन बनाई है. It's called Home Chef. That is very interesting. So what Home Chef does is Home Chef allows you to get a delicious home cooked meal without the worries, without the hassles of actually getting the ingredients, making it to the supermarket, actually taking the time out to cook it. We put homemade food at your fingertips. You download the Home Chef application. We have over 100 chefs in Karachi that have signed up onto Home Chef, have put all their delicious food up for sale on Home Chef. And you go and in a matter of taps, you get what you want. Everything from like gajar ka halwa to like pepper crabs.
Oh my god. अच्छा, एक मुझे बात बताइए. I'm still it's like slurping right now. Yummy things. मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि when you say home chefs, तो जो क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड है, एक तो उसके ऊपर बड़ा वो लोग, आपको तो अंदाजा होगा कि यू नो एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक ओके यार ये साफ बना हुआ है नहीं बना हुआ है, तो हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट?
So all our chefs are one like professionals. Okay, so they're vetted, verified as they come onto Home Chef. They sign up, they meet with our team. There's a verification process. We share food safety and hygiene guidelines with them. We share effective packaging guidelines with them. Our delivery team goes through a serious process. उनको हम ट्रेन करते हैं कि भाई खाना किस तरह आपको ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है एक्सेट्रा. सो दैट माशाल्लाह से वी हैव टेकन अ गुड स्टार्ट ऑन.
अच्छा, इसका मतलब है कि आपका यू हैव योर ओन कार्स एंड ऑल?
We currently have bikes, so we have bike people with like the bags that are like high tech insulated bags, etc. We're working on improving that technology as well. But yeah, so basically what happens?
होम डिलीवरी भी आप दे रहे होते हैं?
Exactly.
Oh wow, ये तो मतलब it's like you're taking food from these chefs and bringing it directly to people.
Exactly.
Oh wow.
So you take a meal cooked with love, passion, and care from like the chef's home, and you pick it up from their home and it comes to your home. So it's
wow.
pretty cool. And what makes it cooler is the fact that so primarily we were speaking about women empowerment earlier outside.
Exactly.
तो हम यही कह रहे थे कि पाकिस्तान में थोड़ी सी कंजर्वेटिव सोसाइटी है, तो होम शेफ ज़्यादा कूल इस तरह हो जाती है कि इतनी सारी खवातीन जो घर में हैं which necessarily don't have access to the outside to go out and work. So Home Chef allows them to use the resources they have at home, their skills as a chef, their kitchen, and they can start these small businesses from home. घर पे ही वो खाना बनाना जानती हैं, उनके पास किचन है, उन्हें खाना बनाना बड़ा अच्छा आता है. So they sign up onto Home Chef, put their dishes up for sale, and they start their small business from home.
This is really cool. This is really cool.
So कोशिश जारी है.
अच्छा, by looking at your app, it looks very professional. आप लोगों ने इसका how do you come to this conclusion कि यार ऐसा होना चाहिए लोग, क्या how this idea came to you?
That actually is a great question. So one, it's an iterative process. So ये constantly, अगर मैं अभी आपको application दिखाऊंगा, आप बोलेंगे यार शहरियार ये चीज़ पता है, इस तरह शायद हो सकती थी. So I go back to my team, we discuss these things. We take user experience very seriously. We take what the foodie wants is what we want to give them. So and what's great is we have some like powerhouses on board. Okay. So my chief product officer Abbas Akhtar is actually like he's an ex-Apple and ex-Google person, and he actually chose to come back to Pakistan to make like
ex-Google and ex-Apple person coming in.
Exactly.
Oh,
leaving his job in the US has come back to Pakistan to basically now, it sounds like difficult, but we're on this journey to create like a little Google in Pakistan now.
Oh wow.
So our
Google for food, Google for food.
Exactly. Or just just a great place to work. Home Chef is inshallah one of the many products that you'll see us come up with. So yeah, and it's technology. So we're trying to basically bring technology to the commerce platform in Pakistan.
Well, this is really awesome.
Our founder and CEO Uzair Anjarwala is actually, he spent like a decade or two in Dubai. He's worked with the Khalifa Fund. He understands technology, understands scalability. So it's like a very fun and driven group of people coming together to like make Home Chef happen.
Oh wow.
So it's exciting. It's exciting.
This is really exciting because I'm also excited that you chose Colors of Pakistan to be a platform for your app, and that's really very encouraging for Colors of Pakistan as well.
And Colors of Pakistan itself, it's a fantastic platform. I've been working with Rifat for the past actually I found out very late also. So yeah, मैं अचानक से, because with startups everything is happening so fast that वो एक आपको split second में ही आप चीज़ देखते हो, decision लेते हो and you're on it.
बिल्कुल.
So I saw the event. It looked great. So it looked great. I saw all the amazing entrepreneurs that were already signed up on that, and I just knew I had to be on there. So when I just messaged the page, and Rifat being an entrepreneur herself, she contacted
Oh my God,
me.
the Rifat is the best.
Rifat's
The best
fantastic.
of the best.
Rifat basically, I think we spoke at like 11:30 at night also.
Okay.
She shot me a message that, hey, you know what, I'm available right now. I think she called me, my phone ran out of battery. That's a story on its own.
Oh my God.
फिर
Okay,
उसके
that's
बाद
awesome.
we got together, like we got connected at like 11:30, and we just were like, you know, let's do it. Next day I came over, she told me about the event, and we signed it up, and it's exciting.
And you're here, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, I'm here, and you know, it's fantastic. The energy here is great also, guys. I mean, the event's going to be great, and it's happening this
19th November.
coming
yes.
Sunday, 19th
yes.
November.
19th November. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
You show up at noon, correct?
Yes,
Start
Well, start at 12.
because by evening they sold out.
It's
and you want to make sure you get there in time to actually see all the amazing people
Exactly.
that are selling all these amazing things there.
Oh yes.
Home Chef is going to be there with two of our top chefs.
Oh
Some
wow.
very, and I'm gonna, this is a surprise you'll find out when you get to the
हाँ
event.
ये मत बताए
Right.
वरना अभी लोगों के लिए जो है ना it will be much.
रिफत और मैंने मिलके हमारे जो दो top selling chefs थे,
जी, जी.
like you know, some very interesting, some very ethnic. Because Home Chef is all about authentic
Oh, so
food
you were saying-
experiences.
Oh my God.
Authentic food experiences.
Experience,
So you'll have, you know, some
I-
Hyderabad, some Burma, maybe some Thailand.
Oh wow.
You know, all at Creek Club
Oh wow.
this
that's-
Sunday.
Oh, we have another thing to discuss with you. Remember, we will discuss that after this,
Perfect.
interview. Thank you so
Perfect.
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tell us how and what.
So you can access the Home Chef web app by going to www.homechef.pk. That's HOMECHEF.pk. We have applications out on the Play Store and the App Store on iOS as well. So you're gonna search for Home Chef on your Android device, because I use Android. You'll see a beautiful orange icon that you're gonna click on, right? And I mean, I have the app already, obviously, but you're gonna download it. You open it up. Am I connected to the internet? Yes, let's just, yep, 3G loaded. So you get a little intro screen, so you guys can go through this at your convenience. It tells you what we do,
It's so yummy.
right? You salivate as you use the app. It's great, right? So again, you come in, we give you the options to log in via your social profiles. So you can either create your own account, do Facebook, do Google, or of course, if you don't want to get into it at that time, you also have the option to continue without login. So what we basically do is, you can come in, you can either search for what you want if you know exactly what you want. Otherwise, you click on browse, and you can see all these amazing things people are making. So these are our popular dishes. Bagare Bengan by Amma's Kitchen. There's some Drunken Noodles by Tiger, which is also a great new chef that signed up. Khao Chow. Mehraj Cooking does really good food. Kachi Biryani does some very mutton payas in a matter of taps. Jaw ki roti, and obviously meetup, steak deal. So these are the popular dishes, but this is when you want to browse what's going on.
Where's our food right now? I'm like, why not?
Your food is on its way. Another very exciting thing we do is actually lunch subscriptions. So this is something
Okay.
I'm very excited about,
Oh.
because at work the biggest issue is you're at work and you want to get a homemade meal, but khud pakane ka waqt bhi nahi hai, khud karne ka bhi waqt nahi hai. So what lunch subscriptions does is you go onto lunch subscriptions and you see all these great options right there. We have local options, we have continental options, we have desi options. Local is very popular these days, right? So let's check out local for a bit. So we currently have Eat Clean, Health in a Box, and Yum Foods doing our local food. So if we check out Yum, for example, which does a great continental low calorie menu. So she's going to give you chicken fajita wraps and salsa, a healthy platter, all these interesting with brown rice. So all these interesting dishes that are limited to 300 calories. और मज़े की बात क्या आती है, ये 1600 रुपये में आपको 5 दिन का खाना मिल जाता है, delivered to your office or home, doorstep delivery. You subscribe once. Obviously you need to log in before you do that, so guys log in and you'll get to subscribe. But होता क्या है कि आप एक दफ़ा सब्सक्राइब करते हैं और आपके 5 दिन का खाना सॉर्ट आउट हो जाता है.
Oh wow.
तो कोई मसला ही नहीं है. So especially for the busy professional that's at work, doesn't want to care about food, doesn't really care about food, and ends up eating all these junk food items for lunch because उसके पास टाइम ही नहीं, आखिर में वो burger, या बन कबाब खा रहा होता है, they come onto the app on a Sunday and आराम से they pick their menu of choice. Let me go back. Let me show you some more. So we have some continental food by Mehraj Cooking. You have desi food by Kachi Biryani, Amas Kitchen, Kitchenelle. These are all home-based businesses. And then you obviously have Local by Eat Clean, Health in the Box and Yum Foods. तो आप आओ, अपने पसंद का मेन्यू सेलेक्ट करो और आप साइन अप कर लो और फिर पूरे हफ्ते का खाना 3 टैप में आपका फिगर आउट हो जाता है. एंड प्राइसेस गो एज लो एज 1260 रुपीज़. Actually, I think there's one that's even better. 1150 rupees, पूरे हफ्ते का खाना homemade,
1100 रुपए में
figured out,
My
delivered
God.
to you.
This is really amazing.
That's
Oh,
what we're
wow.
trying to do.
I actually saw that last.
Okay, now
Mhm.
you should the app is, I mean, it's done.
It's done. It's live.
Oh, okay.
It's live.
That's
We've been operational for like a year now.
Oh, wow.
We've done actually 15,000 deliveries already.
Okay.
So it's on its way up. So it's pretty cool.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kami bhai.